Well, hello folks, and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to test out my GoPro Hero 8 Black. So we've got the media mod attached, so what we're going to do is try out the front facing microphone, the rear facing microphone, and what GoPro called the stereo microphone. And we're also going to test out the stabilization, and the other thing we're going to test out is this. We're going to attach this little Boya BY MM1 microphone. So stay tuned and see what we get up to. So guys, here we are. We've come out to a place called Barbury Castle. So Barbury Castle's a hill fort, about a half-hour drive from home. So what we're going to do, we're going to try out the GoPro stabilization and the microphones in the media mod. So let me just spin around, guys, so you can actually see what's around us. So this is Barbury Castle. So in a minute, guys, we are on the media mod front-facing microphone. It is very windy, we're very high up. I don't know why it's going to pick me up, but we're on the media mod microphone. So just going to spin around so you can see what's behind. So I'm going to walk now, guys. We're going to test out the stabilization and the microphone. So here we go. In keeping, are you ready for this one? Mary had a little lamb. She also had a bear. I've often seen a lamb, but never seen a bear. Oop. So the ground is actually very uneven, guys. So as I say, just going to walk around the castle, just check out the stabilization and the microphone. The camera is set pretty much on auto, except that I am on 2.7, is it 2.7K, and we're in linear. So just going to try out the various microphones really, guys. So as I said, this is the built-in microphone on the media mod, and we're using the front facing sort of setting. So I'm now going to change it to the rear facing microphone, and you can actually see what we've got. So guys, here we are doing the same sort of walk, but we're now on the rear microphone, so you can actually see the view. So here we go, there's the view. So that's our hometown over there, way in the distance. And well, you can see that's absolutely huge field full of solar panels. So just going to just walk around. So well, you can see Karen sat up there and taking the views and the sun. Anyway, guys, so what we're going to do is just walk forward now, same as before. So we're just using the rear facing microphone on the media mod now, guys. So we'll just do a little bit of a walk. Now the ground is, as I said, very uneven. So hopefully this is where the stabilization is going to show its worth. But here you go, guys, just a spin round. Absolutely fantastic views all the way around, guys. There you go. Just do a little bit more of a walk. So guys, are you ready? Mary had a little lamb. She also had a bear. I've often seen a lamb, but never seen a bear. There you go, guys. So that's the rear facing microphone on the media mod. So guys, stereo setting on the media mod, and that's using the front and back microphone. So I don't know how well it's going to sound, but it is very windy, guys. So I'm just going to swing it round, try and keep it straight. Beautiful blue skies. Very windy up here actually, so it's swing round. And here's the boss. So boss, this is Karen, by the way, for those who don't know. So come on then, are you going to tell the YouTube viewers what you did when you got out of the car and nearly ruined our day?
Yeah,
go on then.
Got out of the car before we even got to the fort. I fell down a rabbit hole and I thought I'd sprained my ankle, but we put some cold on it. We had some cold with us and sat for a bit, and yes, so I'm hobbling through. We're going to do this.
So we're going to do it, typical. Anyway, there you go, guys. So that's Karen's adventure for today. There you go, guys. So but I'm going to do it again. Are you going to do it with me? Oh no, I've got to say, right, ready? So I'm going to put it over there. So it's Mary had a little lamb. She also had a bear. I've not seen a lamb.
I've never seen one.
There you go, guys. So that's the 3 microphones I've tried out on the media mod. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to sit down somewhere and enjoy the view, and I am going to swap over and put my Boya mini shotgun microphone on, and there's a couple of settings on that we're going to try out, guys. So we'll catch you in a minute. So guys, we're now on the Boya BY MM1 microphone. We are in standard setting, so it's probably going to be relatively quiet. Now I've got the little wind muff on the microphone, but it's very windy up here. We've sort of about halfway around the castle now, guys, and it is actually very windy around here. So I don't know how well you're going to pick me up or pick the audio up, but as I said, guys, it's very windy around here. So I just sort of turning it around now. See, Karen's behind us. She's keeping up, considering she fell down a rabbit hole. Was you looking for rabbits? She didn't find a rabbit down the rabbit hole. Anyway, guys, so what I do now is the usual. Mary had a little lamb. She also had a bear. I've often seen a lamb, but never seen a bear. So there we are, guys. That was the Boya BY MM1 microphone with the standard audio. So the next one we're going to try standard plus. So we're going to see what that sounds like, guys. So just bear with me while I switch it over. So guys, here we are, just chilling out now and having a little bit of a relax. So I thought I'd take this opportunity just to do one more test. So at the minute we are now on the Media Mods front facing microphone, and it's not as windy, so hopefully we're not going to get drowned out by any of that wind noise. But when we were walking around the castle, it's very windy, and the Media Mods microphone may have got drowned out by the wind. So I thought while we're sat here chilling out, I would just test out the Media Mods microphone. So as usual, Mary had a little lamb. She also had a bear. I've often seen a lamb, but I've never seen a bear. So that was a Media Mods built-in microphone. So what we're going to do now is just switch over to the little mini shotgun microphone, the Boya microphone, and just give that one a try, guys. So just bear with me a minute, guys. So guys, we're now on the Boya BY MM1 mini shotgun microphone. So the levels in the GoPro are set at standard plus. So we're probably adding about 10 dB gain to it. Wind seems to have picked up a bit, guys, but hopefully the little wind muff on the microphone will stop some of that. But again, just another little test, guys. Hopefully won't be too much affected by the wind. So here we go. Mary had a little lamb. She also had a bear. I've often seen a lamb, but I've never seen a bear. Anyway, guys, that was the GoPro test. We're testing the stabilization and both microphones, but probably not that good a test, because I think it was a little bit windy to really get the benefit of the microphones. I think both microphones would be drowned out by the wind noise, but hopefully at least it will show up the stabilization. Anyway, guys, hope you found this one interesting, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all again soon. Bye bye for now.